Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to translate a text using the Scanner Translate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and wait a bit until it's loading. And now you can see that I already have some saved translations, but if you want to make a new one, just click on the green camera button at the bottom of the page, and it will open your camera. And at the bottom of the page you can set both languages. First, the language of the original text, which for me will be English, and you can set the language you want your text to be translated to. And if you are done with that, I will set, for example, Croatian, and just using your camera, just find any text you want to translate and click on the camera button, and it will take a picture of the page. And basically every single text that is on your photo will be translated, including the headline and the details as well. So just make sure you are using a photo of the text you really want to translate. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.